What's going on, guys? It's your boy AP and we're back again with another video. Guys, the markets have been absolutely insane. I really hope you guys have been taking advantage of all these opportunities in the market, averaging down, because that's what I've been doing over the past 10 days, taking high conviction positions and averaging them down. But I wanted to get on here today, guys, to go ahead and talk about one of the companies that I would like to increase my position in. And I do recommend you guys take a look at this company, Foresight Autonomous Holdings, ticker symbol FRSX. We're gonna go right into this one. My charts is one of my more favorite stocks to invest in long term. Let's get right into the video. FSRX, currently trading at $7.75 per share. Ticker symbol FSRX they are a designer and developer of sensor systems for the automotive industry. So to keep it clean and simple, they essentially specialize in the detection software when it comes to the self-driving EV cars, and the detection softwares when it comes to auto assist and things along those lines when it comes to automotive accident prevention, lane assist, and things in that lane, no pun intended. But we really want to focus on the EV side of things. We know that 2020 was a huge year for electric vehicle market. We know that everybody has Tesla shares and everybody sees what Tesla's doing, from the Cathie Woods to the retail traders. They're all invested in Tesla because they believe it's just the next big thing. So EVs have also seen a huge surge in investor cash flow. There's NIO, Xpeng, Li, Tesla, and companies along those lines in that space. So we here have a really cool opportunity to get inside a parallel company that is going to be on the side skirts, riding the same momentum. While electric vehicle companies are thriving and more automotive companies and large automotive companies are getting into the EV space, we have a company here that is going to be generating and riding the same momentum without producing any vehicles. So with that being said, you guys are seeing Ford, Porsche, they're entering this electric vehicle space. But what separates those big manufacturers that want to enter this space from Tesla? Tesla is more than just an electric vehicle company. They have close to stage 4 autonomous level driving, to where you see videos of people sleeping in their Teslas driving down the highway. Now, I love Elon and I would love to have a Tesla one day, but I ain't trusting all that. But you do see it because of that level of autonomy. We understand that Tesla is a way ahead of any other company when it comes to that level of self-driving. So we have to understand that Tesla is in its own lane. It's just the big leader here. But these other companies coming in, Ford, have you guys seen that electric Mustang? Ford, Porsche, Toyota, they're coming in and starting to try and take up more of their market share in the electric vehicle space. But a lot of these companies have no idea what they're doing. They're saying, okay, we can make an electric vehicle. We're not gonna have the best battery. We gotta outsource that. We don't even know how to make these things autonomous. We have nowhere to start. Who do we go to when it comes to autonomy and implanting that system and software into our vehicles? And that was when a company like FRSX comes into play. So they're currently trading at $7.75 a share, 52 weeks high of about 1132. Guys, this company has taken a big hit over the past 10 days, of course, like most growth companies that like we went over here on the channel. But we have a really great opportunity here for the long-term play, because right here we have a company that is currently rumored to be working with a multi-billion-dollar auto company, and they believe it's Toyota. And if they were to confirm that partnership, we would have a big catalyst of huge short-term potential right now and of obviously long-term with that partnership. But the important thing is, even without the partnership, we're in the early stages of the revolution of the electric vehicle market. Guys, 10 years from now, every other vehicle we see is going to be electric, and we have to be prepared for that. And not only are they going to be electric, when you start getting into your electric vehicle, you're potentially going to be wanting to have that autonomous option to where if you're having, you're running late for work, the number of women I've seen on the road in the mornings at 7 a.m. doing their makeup while driving on the highway is too much I would love to admit. I've seen way too much of that. From colleagues to random people on the street, just doing their makeup on the way to work at 7 a.m. in the morning. So obviously the autonomous system and software is going to be utilized by a lot of individuals. So another unique thing is that there is a famous billionaire that is also invested in this company by the name of Mark Cuban. You guys may know him from Shark Tank. You guys may know him from Shark Tank. You guys may know him from being the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, right? He's an outspoken billionaire. I love the guy. He's a very intelligent dude and knows what the hell he's talking about for the most part, right? Now, I do believe in the short term, we have an immediate short-term opportunity here at 775. I think this company, and I think this is a bargain at 775 for this company. Over the next 90 days, you'll see it get back closer to the $10 mark for short-term potential gains for our traders, even within the market, as there's a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. You can go talk about the bonds. You can go talk about the Fed and interest rates and the yields with bonds, and we can get into all that. Listen, guys, and that's why I preach you won't lose if you're in it for the long term. If most of my investors and most of my people that subscribe to me and they listen to my trades, FYI, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and do your own due diligence before making any decisions when it comes to investing in the stock market. But regardless, guys, if you're looking, the best route to do this, in my opinion, is long-term. You pay long-term capital gains when you sell after holding for at least a year, and you want to focus on investing in high conviction companies that when they go down, you feel confident to buy more because you are investing in the fundamentals of the company, the finances, fundamentals in the future, right? And that's what we try to focus on here. And this is one of those companies because in 10 years from now, electric vehicles will be taken over. We'll start actually seeing people casually driving down the road, playing video games on their iPad while they're in the driver's seat. And we have to prepare for that. And right here, with a company with a market cap of 2.5 billion, relatively small company, they're still going around doing trade shows, showing off their little demonstration, road shows they call it, showing off demonstrations to other larger companies. So this will be one of those vehicles into an indirect route to take up this EV train to the moon, because everybody's going to be on NEO, everybody's on XPeng, everybody's on Tesla. This company at such a small market cap is a huge opportunity for 10x gains over the next 5 years, for potential 20x gains. I mean the potential here is limitless when it comes to such a small company in such a very large space that is ultimately increasing every month over month. It's increasing because now what are we going to see next? Electric Mini Coopers, I don't know, electric buggies. They're coming, guys. So be sure and be ready. I do think it's an opportunity. I'm buying more shares right now. I'm taking a serious position in this for the long term. I plan on holding over the next 5 years, probably 10, maybe more so, buying dips. And I just wanted to get on here with an opportunity that we have here now. Let's get in this bad boy and let's ride out these sweet gains. And I really hope you guys are averaging down on your high conviction investments that you've been making over the past 10 days, because we have great opportunities with this correction. And I just wanted to come on here and be short and sweet with you guys. Listen, please, in the comment section down below, drop any company stocks you'd like me to go over. Hit those links below for your free shares in Webull, free shares in Robinhood. And if you don't mind hitting that like button for your boy one time, please, it's free and it only takes a half a second. I timed it. Hitting that like button, smash it real good. Smash that subscribe button for me. And if you guys have any questions, go down below. Any comments, I want to hear if you're invested in this company. And let me know what companies you're investing in. Let me know if you're investing in this company. Let me know if you want me to review anything in particular, any company in particular. But regardless, guys, it's your boy AP. And until next time, peace.
Hold up.